How to stay fit at home without equipment. No gym? No problem. Staying fit at home is easier than you think, and you don't need any fancy equipment. In this video, I'll show you how you can stay in shape, feel stronger, and boost your energy with simple bodyweight exercises you can do right in your living room. Let's get moving. Before any workout, a good warm-up is key. Start with 30 seconds of jogging in place, then do arm circles, high knees, and some light stretches. This gets your heart rate up and prepares your body for exercise. Never skip your warm-up. It prevents injury and helps you perform. Squats, great for your legs and glutes. Push-ups, work your chest, arms, and core. Modify on knees if needed. Planks, build core strength and stability. Jumping jacks, get your heart pumping and burn calories. Lunges, target your thighs, glutes, and balance. These exercises use your own body weight and engage multiple muscle groups. They're simple, but very effective. After your workout, don't forget to cool down. Take a few deep breaths, then stretch out your legs, back, and shoulders. Hold each stretch for about 15 to 30 seconds. Cooling down helps your muscles recover and prevents soreness later. Staying fit is not about doing long workouts. It's about staying consistent. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Make it a habit. Try setting a fixed time daily, like right after waking up or before dinner. Keep your workouts fun. Play your favorite music or follow along with YouTube routines. Remember, your body is your gym. Fitness starts where you are, right at home. No excuses, no equipment needed. Just commitment and small daily effort. Start today, and you'll feel stronger, healthier, and more confident in no time. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment,